Hi everyone, Nancy with our Treasure Home, and I'm trying something different. I've got the phone sideways. I don't know, it's kind of odd because now y'all see all that stuff over there. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of like confused where to look at. But today's lunch is broccoli and cauliflower soup, seasoned with sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chives, and parsley. My go-to stuff. So I'll show you what I did. And my ninja. Yes. And I threw some more cheddar cheese in there. It hasn't completely melted yet because I've turned this off. But I cooked this on slow cook on high for 4 hours because I started it this morning so that by lunchtime it'll be all done. And then we have a nice big bowl of soup. This is good. And my eggs. No, I didn't do a video yet. We just got a lot of things going on. And that's the last thing on my mind right now to do. But we will get it done. So, broccoli and cauliflower cheddar cheese soup. I'm gonna heat this sucker back up. I just put it on sear saute, which is, I mean, I'm not gonna sear it or saute it, but it's gonna heat it back up so it won't be so cold. I like the hot soup. But it's been one of those days. And one that, you know, you sit and think, and try not to overthink. Just gotta keep on going. So, that is lunch today. Nothing much else going on. But I do have some other things to do. I'll do another video on it. But if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on our Treasure Home.